So when you get your simple kit, it definitely does not look like this, and it is not coming assembled like this. So how do you get started? In this video course, we're going to cover everything from how the simple board is designed internally, so like routing and traces of copper inside of this, and we're going to look into how this is connected. We're going to learn how to solder the ultra low profile headers on the daisy seed, and connect potentiometers, switches, jacks, learn how to start with Synth DIY. This is very exciting. If this is your first time doing these kind of things, it's exactly for you. If you've never held a soldering iron, or if you don't know what a linear 10K potentiometer, I'm going to be covering all these topics. However, if you do have experience with this stuff and you've done a few synth DIYs, maybe not with a simple kit, but with other instruments, maybe Eurorack stuff, then you can continue to our program on learn.synthux Academy. This is where we actually have the programming courses. Yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. The first thing we're going to be looking at is the tools.